The Red Tea Detox is a brand new cleansing program that detoxifies the body and sheds pounds quickly and safely. It allows almost anyone to lose 14 pounds in just a matter of weeks. Based on more than a decade of research spanning over 500 medical studies as well as almost 3 years of real-world testing, this program has the results and the science to back it up. Swann Miller, creator of the Red Tea Detox, is a 6-time best-selling author with over 10 years of experience as a practicing naturopath, ND. She discovered the unique recipe for this energizing tea, the foundation of the program, during her travels deep into the heart of Africa. And best of all, the ingredients are so common they can be found in virtually any store. Reproduced here for the first time in the Western world, the Red Tea Detox passes on the recipe for this incredible tea in the form of a fully digital product, making it available to customers instantaneously. You can enjoy this delicious red tea in a number of tasty ways: hot or iced, as a smoothie, in your favorite protein drink, or as a slushie. If you want to kickstart your fat loss, improve your mental and physical agility, and have a great night's sleep, click link in description to learn more about the Red Tea Detox.